In this problem, you have been given an equation and you have to solve for n. The equation is n plus 2 multiplied by n plus 3 multiplied by n plus 4 is equals to 990. How will you solve this problem? So basically this problem can be solved using two methods. We will discuss both methods. So let us discuss method 1. Now if you look this on the right hand side and the left hand side to this equation, right hand side we have a number 990. But on the left hand side we have three numbers. And multiplication of these three numbers are 990. Moreover, these numbers are consecutive. In one case we have added 2, 3, 4. So these numbers are consecutive. So this means we have to find three consecutive numbers whose multiplication is or whose product is 990. So this gives me an idea that if I factorize 990 and then I can look for these three numbers. So let us factorize 990. So we have 990, this is an even number. So let us divide by 2. So we will have 495. Then divide by 5 because this is divisible by 5, 99. Then divide by 3, this will be 33. And finally again divide by 3, so this is 11. So this means 990 can be written as 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 11. Now we have to look for three consecutive numbers in this case. Now see, 11 is one number, that is a prime number. So I am sure that among the three consecutive numbers, 11 will be there. So next number will be either 12 or 10 because we have three consecutive numbers. I cannot get 12. If you try to multiply, you will never get 12. Now 10 we can get. So that is, if I consider 5 and 2, then I will have 10. And the next number that is left here is this one, 3 into 3, that is 9. So now if you see, the product of 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 5 is 10, and we have number 11. So this is 9, 10, 11. So now I know I can write 990 as 9 into 10 into 11, and which is equals to, that is given in the problem, n plus 2 into n plus 3 into n plus 4. So now you can equate any one. Either you can equate n plus 2 is equals to 9, or n plus 3 is equals to 10, or n plus 4 is equals to 11. In each case you will get the same answer. So n plus 2 is equals to 9. This means n is equals to 7. So n is equals to 7 is the answer for this equation. So this is method 1. Now let us discuss method 2. So we'll write the problem again. So we have n plus 2 into n plus 3 into n plus 4 is equals to 990. Now in this case we have multiplication of three terms. We will try to factorize this into two terms. So you see, here we have 2, here we have 3, and here we have 4. So we will find mean of these three numbers. So what will be the mean of 2, 3 and 4? That is 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3. That is 9 by 3. This means in this case mean is 3. So now I will re-express the given quantity something like this. N plus 2 can be written as n plus 3 minus 1. And here I already have n plus 3. So leave it as it is. N plus 4 can be written as n plus 3 plus 1. And this is equals to 990. Now you see here you have n plus 3 minus 1 and here you have n plus 3 plus 1. So this means now I can apply the formula, that is algebraic identity. If you remember, that is a plus b into a minus b. This is equals to a square minus b square. So if I apply this formula, this will become n plus 3 whole square minus 1 square, that is simply 1. And this into n plus 3 is equals to 990. Now let us consider n plus 3 as t. So we are making a substitution, and the substitution is t is equals to n plus 3. So this is the substitution we are making. T is equals to n plus 3. So if you make this substitution, we can rewrite this is t square minus 1 and this is t is equals to 990. So we can further write, we can expand. So this is tq minus t, and let us take 990 this side, minus 990 is equals to 0. So this is a cubic equation. So this is a cubic equation. And if you remember, in case of cubic equation, one solution we can find using guess method or hit and trial method. In this case, if you put t is equals to 10, let us see what happens. So if I put t is equals to 10, what will happen? We will have 10q minus 10 minus 990. That is 1000 minus 10, that is 990 minus 990, and this is equals to 0. This means 10 is a solution of this equation. So now I can rewrite this expression in terms of 10. So tq minus t, and this is 990 can be written as 10q minus 10, and this is equals to 0. So what we have done? We have re-expressed 990 as 10q minus 10. So we can further simplify. In that case, we will have tq minus 10q, and this will be minus t plus 10 is equals to 0. Now you remember the formula aq minus bq. So if you remember this formula, that is, I am writing here aq minus bq is nothing but a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So I will use this formula here. So this is the formula that you should remember because this is used many times. So I can write this is t minus 10 times t square plus 10 square plus 10t, and this is, if I take minus 1 common, this will be t minus 10. This is equals to 0. Now t minus 10 is here and t minus 10 is also here. We can take this outside. So we will have t minus 10 multiplied by t square plus 100 plus 10t minus 1 is equals to 0. This means t minus 10 into t square plus 10t plus 99 is equals to 0. Now there are two possibilities. We can have either this term is 0, that is the first term, or we can have this term as 0. So if the first term is 0, we can say in this case, so let us say call case 1, that is the first term is 0, that is t minus 10 is equals to 0. This means t is equals to 10. And you remember that we have made a substitution, t is equals to n plus 3. This means n plus 3 is equals to 10. This means n is equals to 7. And this answer is same as the previous answer. So this answer, you see, it's same as this answer that I got earlier using a method 1. Now let us consider case 2. So if you consider case 2, in that case what will happen? We will have this term t square plus 10t plus 99 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic expression. Let us calculate discriminant of this expression. So discriminant is what? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. And in this case b is 10. So 10 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 99. So this becomes 100 minus, this becomes 396. So this is a negative number. So this means discriminant is negative. This means roots of this equation is imaginary. So we have imaginary roots here. So in this case, from this part, I will not get any solution for n. So the only one solution we have, that is n is equals to 7 for this equation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.